Audra with my urban garden, and today we are on vacation on Hawaii in the Big Island. We're in Hilo right now, and we just went to Walmart, and I happened to walk into the garden center, and it is so exciting and beautiful. Behind me is this whole entire table of these gorgeous orchids blooming profusely, and then over here is cactus and succulents and air plants that we don't have at home.
You can get this from a neighbor.
And then come over here and look at this. Like, OMG. Is that not beautiful or what? Like, this whole place in here is full of exotic, beautiful things. You can't probably even see the color on these so good. And it is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, I just wanted you to see what it's like in the garden center at Walmart in Hawaii. It's like a tropical rainforest. It's really pretty. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.